Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Ms. Sintaziz. My name is Zaidan Nur Hafizi, and today I will present my proposal entitled Exploring the Use of Figurative Language in My Chemical Romance Song Lyrics in the Black Parade album. Humans frequently communicate with one another in order to exchange ideas or messages. There are numerous methods to convey the message, which has value in and of itself. When people are speaking to one another, understanding meaning is the most important way to obtain information. According to Euler, semantics aims to concentrate on the meaning that words typically convey. Semantics further divides meaning into two categories. First is literal meanings and non-literal meanings. A literal definition is a word that is true or one that is derived from a dictionary. On the other hand, literal meaning is opposed by non-literal meaning, which is the word's alternate meaning. The study of semantics, non-literal meaning, called figurative language, is very helpful in helping someone understand the song lyrics because the songwriter usually uses implied meanings to convey their meaning to the listeners. A song may also be inspired by the experiences of the songwriter. The singers portray a variety of feelings, not just sad, romantic, or even angry. This research is studying meaning analysis of figurative language in My Chemical Romance, the Black Parade album. Subsequently, the album was released in 2006, which was the peak of their popularity. The Black Parade is the third album studio from the American rock band My Chemical Romance. They have millions of loyal fans on social media, and their successful song Welcome to the Black Parade has been played more than 1.3 billion on Spotify. Throughout the lyrics, My Chemical Romance perhaps wanted to convey a message about the importance of finding the courage and resilience to keep going even in the face of adversity and pain. In the lyrics of the Black Parade, there are sentences that have strong images such as the lines, "The world is a stage and all the men and women merely players." The lines show the figurative language called metaphor that compares life to stage play, implying that life is like a theatrical performance. In this case, the songwriter uses a lot of figurative language to convey hidden message through the song lyrics on this album. This research finds that poetic lyrics can trigger self-reflection and motivate listeners to begin their own journey of self-discovery and acceptance. Uh, Next point, I have the statement of the problem. But the first statement of problem is what kind of figurative language are found in song lyrics, the Black Parade album. And the second statement of the problem, how are the figurative language used in the Black Parade album? And for scope and limitation, the scope of this research is semantic limited by focusing on analyzing the figurative language meaning by using Perrin's theory. And the objective, first, analyze the figurative language contained in the album Welcome to the Black Parade by My Chemical Romance. And the second is to find out how the My Chemical Romance song to the Black Parade can influence the listeners. And the function of the study is aimed to contribute the improvement and expansion of knowledge in the semantic field, especially in understanding the figurative language meaning contained in words and sentences. Okay, let's move to the second chapter. In this chapter, I conduct some article and journal. For the first, I have Rahardian D.I. Made Winaya Igusti Ngurah Pratama in 29 and 19 with entitled Meaning of Figurative Language with reference to 4 Iron Maiden songs. The second journal, I have Neon Warniti in 20 and 22 with the title Analysis of Figurative Language in Easy On Me Song Lyrics. And the last journal, I have Laila Albiana Dewi in 2020, entitled Figurative Language in Maher Zain's Songs Lyric. Based on the previous studies, these studies show the similarities and differences from each study. The first similarity is that all three studies analyze the same topic, which is figurative language. The second similarity is that all the studies choose the same kind of literary works, which are songs. Despite the similarities in the study, they still have differences. The differences first is that the object of the study they choose. The second difference can be seen in the theories they use. In the chapter 2, in part review of literature, I have the semantic. The word semantics comes from ancient Greek sema, which means signs or symbol, and semantics is the science that studies meaning in language. Semantics investigates how we use words, phrases, and sentences to convey an understanding meaning. According to Leach in 1981, semantics, as the study of meaning, is central to the study of communication, and as communication becomes more and more crucial factor in social organization, the need to understand it becomes more pressing. While we are communicating with other people, we need to use language to understand the meaning from what the speaker tried to say. Next, I have the definition of figurative language. The language style in literary works uses a lot of figurative language, which is different from the language style used in everyday conversation. Language style in literary works is a collection of words used by the author with the aim of beautifying sentences. Next, I have the types of figurative language. For the first types of figurative language is simile. Simile is a comparison between two distinctly different things, is explicitly indicated by the connectors such as like, as, similar, same, or than. And the second is metaphor. Metaphors are different kinds of figurative language from similes, in that they explicitly convey the similarity of one item to another even though they are not identical. The third point, I have personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which non-human entities are given human attributes. Next, apostrophe. Apostrophe is to address non-human object or someone who is not there as if it were a living creature that couldn't respond to what is being said. And the next is cenocyte. A figure of speech known as cenodoge occurs when a part of something is used to refer to the whole or the entire to refer to a part. Next, metonymy. Metonymy is a figure of speech that alludes to something else by using a term or phrase that is closely related to it. Next, I have symbol. Symbol is a literary device that is used to represent something else with a wider meaning by using an object, person, place, or activity. Next, I have allegory. Allegory is a narrative or description that has meaning beneath the surface. And the next point, paradox. Paradox is an apparent contradiction that holds true nonetheless. And next, hyperbole is a figure of speech for emphasis not meant to be taken literally. And the 11th types of figurative language is understatement. Understatement is a figure of speech in which speaker deliberately expresses something less forcefully than is actually true. And the last types of figurative language I have irony. Irony is the opposite of what the real means sounds. And the next point I have song. Song is a piece of music with words meant to be sung. Usually it contains a melody and beat, and the words give the music context and narrative depth. Song lyrics contain many implied and explicit meaning. In this study, I used the Lawrence Perrin in 1969 to examine the figurative language meanings found in the song's lyrics. In the chapter 3, approach of the study, I use the qualitative approach to analyze the data because the data are in forms of words. And for the data source, collected data by selecting all the songs from My Chemical Romance album titled The Black Parade. For the data collection, first listen to the song from My Chemical Romance The Black Parade album on the platform music and select the lyrics. And second is identify and analyze figurative language relevant to the research objective. And the last point is data analysis. First, listen and analyze the figurative language of the 12 songs of My Chemical Romance album, The Black Parade. 2. Gathered data will be arranged and presented in the form of essay. And the last is make the conclusion of the findings. I think that's all from my proposal. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.